So in this question, we're being asked to find out u equals to indirect utility function for max of x1, x2. So u equals to say max of x1, x2. Okay, and the difference between the direct utility function and indirect utility function is that direct utility function, they're always in terms of direct consumption of commodities. Okay, so this is a direct consumption of commodities, but indirect utility function is in terms of increment prices. Okay, so this is the main difference. I assume this that you guys have an idea of how to derive the Marshallian demand function for a given utility function, but if you don't, then please go back to a relevant topic. Okay, so the Marshallian demand functions for u equals to max of x1, x2. I'm just writing it for the sake of convenience. So if p1 is less than p2, x1 is a cheaper commodity, you consume all of x1 and x1 would be equal to m by p1. Okay, if p1 is greater than p2, then x2 is a cheaper commodity, you buy all of x2 and x1 would be equal to 0. x2 would be equal to m by p2, but x1 would be equal to 0. Since we are deriving the demand functions for x1, so we're writing that. If p1 is equal to p2, then both of them are cheaper, you are indifferent. So either x1 would be equal to either 0, you don't buy anything, or remember this, or m by p1. Okay, this is unlike the case of the perfect substitutes, in which you buy a combination. You can even buy a combination of the two commodities. Here you can buy either x1 or x2. Okay, so what you have to do is that you just have to substitute back your Marshallian demand functions in the direct utility function. Okay, so if you substitute back, I mean, what is the maximum utility you can have when you buy either the complete of x1 or you complete of x2? So it could be like max of m by p1 comma m by p2. Okay, these are the only two maximum amounts which you can ever buy. Okay, either x1 or x2. So it can lie somewhere between them only, or you can even write, in case if you take m common from the numerator, in order for the new expression to reflect exactly the older one, so you can even write min of p1 p2. Okay, so if you take up the minimum of p1 or p2, say p1 is less than p2, so that m by p1 would be exactly equal to this m by p1. Okay, that is your max for x, max p1, max m by p1. Okay, so, and this is your vpn. Okay, mind you that this substitution is intuitive. Okay, this substitution is intuitive. Okay, instead of more mathematical, it is intuitive. Okay, I hope this is clear.